Hello guys, welcome to Yusuf's Science and Math class. This video is part 2 of conventions and graphings. In the last video, we talked about fundamental and derived units and graphing variables. Today, we are going to talk about slope and area and how to interpret graphs. So let's begin. Slope is determined by dividing the change of y-axis value by the change of x-axis value. And we can also say as delta y over delta x. The triangle symbol is called delta and it means change. And let's look at examples. So, A. What is the value of the slope in the time interval from 0 to 1 seconds? We have to look at line segment A. Feel free to stop these videos if you need more time, but I will just give you answers right now. So answers. Slope is change of y over change of x, also delta y over delta x. And here, change of y means final y minus initial y. So we can get 0 meters minus 30 meters. And again, delta x means final x minus initial x, and 1 second minus 0 seconds. And if you divide it, we will get minus 30 meters divided by 1 seconds, and as a result, minus 30 meters per second. So, question B. What is the significance of the slope from 0 to 1 second? Think about it for a second. If you need time, please stop this video for a second. And the answer is, from the previous slide, we got slope of minus 30 meters per second. The resulting units, meters per second, are the units of the velocity. Therefore, slope of the graph means velocity. And during 0 to 1 seconds, the object has a velocity of minus 30 meters per second. Let's go to area. Area is calculated by multiplying the height, which is y-axis, by the base, x-axis. There are various formulas to calculate area, but to name some, for rectangles, we can calculate area by height times base. For triangle, 1/2 height times base. But when the height is negative, since we have to get a positive value of area, we multiply by -1 to height. So negative height times base. And let's take a look at examples. A. What is the value of the area in the time interval from 3 to 4 seconds? We have to look at line segment C. And I'll give you 1, 2, 3. If you need more time, please stop this video. And the answer is area is height times base, which is y times x. Again, which is 20 meters per second times. But we need to calculate the delta x here because the time interval from 3 to 4, not 0 to 4. So 4 seconds minus 3 seconds. So it is 20 meters per second times 1 second, and we can cancel out the seconds, and we get the area 20 meters. So again, what is the significance of the area from 0 to 1 second? We got an area 20 meters from the previous slide. The resulting units, meters, are the units of the distance or displacement. We're going to learn that in the next videos. Therefore, the area of the graph means distance, and during the 3 to 4 seconds, the object has moved a distance of 20 meters. So let's interpret graphs. So if we look at the graph, we have to see what's going up, what's going down, if it reaches 0, if it goes negative. But in this graph, there are 3 notable increasing, constant, and decreasing. So from 0 to 4 seconds, speed you have to look at the y-axis to find out the variable. Speed is increasing. From 4 to 5 seconds, speed is constant because it does not change. From 5 to 8 seconds, speed is decreasing and finally reaches to 0 at 8 seconds. So we can calculate the slope and the area. So like this, from 0 to 2, we can calculate it's 10 meters per second minus 0 meter per second divided by 2 seconds minus 0 seconds, and area is 0.5 times 10 to the 10 times 2. And we can do that 2 to 4 seconds, 4 to 5 seconds, 5 to 6 seconds, and lastly 6 to 8 seconds. If you want to look at this graph more, please stop this video. And there are many graphs in physics that we are going to learn about, and something like this. Power, we're going to eventually learn this. P equals I square R. P equals h over lambda. F equals kx. And those are all the formulas that we're going to learn, and we have to see how the graph works. And we can interpret graph that we have a power of something or it is dividing some things. But at this time, if you look at it and it is increasing, decreasing, going to 0, negative, that's all fine at this point. Okay, that's all for today. If you like these videos, please subscribe and like. If you have any comments, I'll probably see your comments every day, so let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you next time.